How to use Binance Trading Bots quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Binance Trading Bots. So let's get into it. Now, a lot of people might even wonder that does Binance even have any trading bots? Because it's not exactly a feature that is listed on like the top corner or anything like that. But Binance does have a few trading bots that you can use to simplify your crypto trades. So to get started, all you have to do, let's say that you go into the earn section of Binance and you want to start saving your money. Now, Binance has a auto investment bot, and this auto investment bot not only works with Binance savings, but it can also work with Binance staking. So you can choose any kind of token and you can choose to invest a certain amount of money into that token after a certain time interval. So let's say I want to invest in Bitcoin, and I can click on create plan over here, and I can choose the recurring cycle that I want. So let's say I want to invest after every month, and I can choose the date. And after choosing the date, I can choose the time that I want to invest in. And let's say I just want to invest 90 BUSD every time after every month on the 8th of the month. So you can see just like that, I will have this auto invest bot, and this will automatically invest my earnings or my money into this specific token. And you can create this for any kind of token. There are so many tokens available. So this is one simple way that you can grow your portfolio on Binance, and you can choose however long you want your investment period to be with Binance. So this is one simple bot for people that are looking to save. Now, if you go into the staking section over here on Binance, you have multiple different locked staking and DeFi staking options, and these are somewhat automated as well. Now, moving on to the more popular bots that you might actually look for, and those bots are the TWAP bots and other futures bots. So if you go into the futures trading and go into the strategy section on the top center over here, and you go on ahead and you click on create strategy, you can see there are a few bots that you can create. So you have a TWAP bot, and this is a simple bot that basically slices larger orders and forms tinier grids into your trade order, and it gets you a better buying price. And then you also have a VP bot to limit your market impact by dividing them with a specific market volume ratio. Now, if you click on create over here, this is the TWAP algo, and this is a simple strategy. It is a average price calculator over a period of time, and this just basically reduces your buying size. So you can see the total size of the contract you choose to buy or sell. You can enter that. Then you're going to choose the duration, and then the end of the strategy is to basically have the lowest buying price possible over a certain time. So let's say that I want to add 0.9 minimum BTC. Then I can choose the duration. Let's say I want it to be 2 hours or 6 hours, and then you can choose to reduce only. You can also choose to go on ahead and not to put it on reduce only, but you can long or short a specific stock. And you have to keep in mind TWAP is only available for futures trading. You can't really do this on a spot trading grid, but it is available on futures trading. Now, if you scroll down over here, you will actually see you're required to sign the risk statement. So you have to confirm that you understand the risks of using this bot. And once you have done that, you can choose to reduce only. And let's say I expect the price of BTC to short. So I'm going to click on short, and you can just simply enter that over here. Now, after that, you can also choose to long or short however you want. Then you also have a simple futures grid you can open up. If you don't want to use their bot, you can also go into your futures grid over here and have auto investment options. So let's say after 7 days, you can set a lower price and a upper price, and you can choose whether it's neutral, longing, or shorting. Let's say I want to short Ethereum and short BTC, and then you can choose a cross or isolated trade. I want this to be isolated, and I only want the leverage to be twice. I'm going to set it at 2% leverage, and you can enter your initial margin as well. And then you're just going to go on ahead, put in the amount that you want. So you're going to enter the USD you want to use, and then you can click on create order. And this is going to be a simple way for you to automate your futures grid trading strategy. Now, if you open up your spot grid over here, and you can set up your strategies over here as well. So you have your auto or manual bot, so you can create a arithmetic or geometric bot, and you can set up a lower price or a upper price, and you can set up the number of grids. Now, the more number of grids you have, the better your chances of getting a lower price with low initial investment. So let's say I just go on ahead and choose a different coin, and I'm going to select ETH USDT, and then I can set the lower price and the upper price. And after that, I can enter the number of grids I want to build. Let's say I want 40 grids, and then you can enter your investment. It will show you the minimum investment you would need to put in. And let's say I want to put in 900 USDT. And then after that, you can enter your advanced options such as grid triggers, stop triggers, take profit. So this is a simple way for you to automate your strategy. Now, if you go into strategy trading back into Binance, you can see you even have a strategy pool. So if you go into strategy pool, you will see the return on investment for certain pre-built strategies, and you can click on use parameter and just use this exact parameter. However, this is a strategy created by someone else. You want to make sure that you do understand that you're just using someone else's strategy and you're not really building anything of your own. If you want to build your own, you can simply click on create strategy and build your own automated bot, automated futures grid, or spot grid of your own choice. And this will buy and sell automatically with your specific price ranges that you have given to the bot. And you also have trading analytics available. So you can see that we have BTC and BUSD on the spot grid, and it's running over 2,800 strategies. You can click on create over here, and they will give you a automated strategy, and then you can just click on manual and enter your own coin price and how you want to build your own crypto trading strategy. So this not only allows you to get started with day-to-day trading, but even with a low active investment. So let's say you only want to put in $100 or $200 in crypto. A lot of people are going to be like, hey, you need to put a little bit more money. However, that $100 or $200 is going to be more than good enough for you to be able to trade and, make profits off that. And once you build quite a few grids on the market, then you're going to be able to get multiple different profits every day. And within like 2 weeks, you can easily make the money that you initially put in and then double your investment and create larger grids for more earnings with crypto trading bots. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.